In this video, I'm going to show you two quick and trusted methods to create QR codes for your links. Let's get started. This is the page I want to link to. It's a sign-up page for my email newsletter called The Creative Process, which goes out every Monday. So first thing I will do is I will copy that web address by pushing Command-C or Control-C on Windows. The first method I want to show you is to use Adobe Express. So either you need to sign up for a new Adobe Express account, you can have a free version, or if you already have an Adobe Express account, you can simply sign in. Once you have signed in, type QR in the search field and select Generate QR Code. This dialog comes up. I'm just going to paste my email there, and I'm going to click off of it, and that is it. That is my QR code. There are some selections here, some options. I can change the style of the QR code. I can change the color of the QR code, but I'm going to leave things as black, and I'm going to use this dot style. Now all I need to do is click download, and it has been downloaded to my files. It's as easy as that. So that's the first method using Adobe Express. Now, maybe instead of using Adobe products, you like to use canva.com. So the second method I'm going to show you uses canva.com to create a QR code. Once you've signed into Canva or created a free account, click down here on Apps. Then, when this search bar comes up, search QR code. And what you want to do is select the option that is simply called QR code. Confirm here that it's the one that's created by Canva. Now, I want to use in a new design. It's going to ask me to create a size. I'm going to click Custom Size and select 500 by 500. That's a square design, and I am creating a new design now. Now, once this dialog comes up, I'm going to paste in my link, click Generate Code, and there you have it. This is my QR code. If I wanted to, I could make it a little bit bigger to fill the space of this canvas. Once I'm done, I click Share, and I can click Download. And I would probably download this as a PNG. Click Download, and it has finished. So that's how easy it is to create a QR code with a trusted service like Adobe Express or canva.com. QR codes are really great ways to send people to your materials online, such as your landing page for your email newsletter, or maybe other resources that you want to share with other people. Thanks for watching.